In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make a basic sleeve. Let's get started. You are going to fold your fabric into four and then you will draw a straight line across. We are cutting both sleeves together. Now, I'm going to come down by 5" for my bicep line. Then I will draw a straight line across. The next thing you want to do is to come in by 4" from the starting line, and from that 4" you are going to divide the 5 into 2 and mark a point there. That is 2.5" under the 4". You're going to mark a point. Now I'm going to measure my armhole. I'm just going to note that measurement. Next, I will place my tape like this and I will connect a curve from the starting line to that 2.5" we made in the middle. Then I'm also going to flip my curve upside down and I will connect another curve. So basically, you are making two curves. One curve facing downwards, the other curve facing upwards. And they are all meeting at that 2.5 point you did. Make sure that the measurement around the cap of your sleeve is the same thing with the measurement around the armhole circumference of the outfit you are working on. I'm just going to measure the cap of the sleeve like this, and then I'm going to mark the armhole measurement I got. I'm just going to measure my armhole circumference again to be sure. Just make sure that this measurement is accurate, because if this measurement is not accurate, then you are going to mess the whole sleeve up. The next thing you want to do is to mark the full length of your sleeve. This sleeve I'm cutting is a long sleeve, so this full length is 23 inches. I'm going to draw a straight line across and I'm going to make it more visible. That is 23 inches, so I'm making it more visible. The next thing you want to do is to come down by 2" for your sleeve length allowance. You can't cut 23 inches if your sleeve length is 23 inches. You are going to put 2 inches for folding allowance. Altogether, the sleeve is now 25 inches. The allowance is 2". The sleeve length is 23 inches. Next, you are going to come down by your elbow length. You're just going to place your tape on your starting line, then take the measurement from your cap sleeve to your elbow. Now I'm marking my round sleeve. The first round sleeve should be the round sleeve very close to the cap of your sleeve. The second round sleeve should be the round sleeve around your elbow, then your 1.5" seam allowance. Then the third round sleeve, which is your wrist circumference. But you're not going to measure your wrist circumference, especially if the material is not very stretchy. You won't be able to wear the outfit. So now look at where I'm measuring. This is where you should measure. You're going to measure this part of your hand, so you'll be able to wear the sleeve and you also be able to pull it. And besides, this sleeve is for a blazer jacket. It's not supposed to be very tight. So this is where I will measure. Then I'll be able to pull the sleeve and I'll also be able to wear it. So that part of my hand, the circumference is 10". So I marked 5". Then my sleeve allowance, 1.5" seam allowance. Then I'm going to connect all lines together. Now the measurement I have around my wrist, I will extend it to the extra inches I added for the allowance. So I'm just going to make this more visible and I will cut this out. This is how to cut a basic sleeve. It's very simple and very easy to follow. I went ahead to cut out lining piece for this sleeve because this sleeve is for a blazer jacket. If you would love to see how I drafted the blazer pattern, check out the video on my YouTube channel, and I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.